What is up, guys? Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. We'll try to make it quick, easy, and to the point. So if you're like me and you've not been able to install Xbox Game Pass games and you're getting error code 0x80073D26 and there's nothing you've been able to do to fix it, I'm here to help. So to make this real quick, what you're going to do is start off by going to the registry editor. And make sure to only do what I do, because messing with this can cause problems with your computer. So you want to go here and you want to find this H key local machine, hit the arrow, and then you go to System, find Current Control Set right here, and you go down to Services, and you want to scroll down until you get to the G section, right down here, and you will find Gaming Services and gamingservices.net. So what you want to do is you want to remove both of these by hitting delete. I'm not going to do this because I just did this and there's no point. Once you delete that, all you're going to do is restart your computer. Boom. Quick restart. And after you've done the restart and removed that, you can go to the back to the Windows Store, and what you're basically going to do is reinstall them fresh. So to do that, you can go to Downloads and Updates, check for updates or Get Updates, what it is now. You can hit Get Updates, and if you've just removed this, it will reinstall everything fresh, and everything should work again. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, or drop a comment. Thank you, and have a great day.